Hey everyone, welcome back to AlcoreStudio. In my previous video, I shared about some systems in the main menu scene of my game Rush Office. Today I want to talk a bit about the game scene. As I said earlier, the objective of starting the project from scratch was to achieve better performance than the previous version of the game. How could I achieve that? After a lot of research, the answer was clear. Object pooling. What is that? Well, as the name suggests, managing a pool of objects. By not constantly destroying and instantiating sections, props, and obstacles, you can eliminate unnecessary memory spikes. Simply have the objects in the scene or iterate them at the start of the game. During gameplay, retrieve the objects from the pool, change their position, then make them inactive when not required, and return them to the pool. I started off by repurposing the road from my main menu, added a divider, and created a bridge variant. Then I created some prefabs for some of the obstacles and some script to test out the object pooling. Initially, my scripts were not modular or generic, but after realizing that I have to reuse the same logic for sections, props, and obstacles, the scripts definitely needed to be made modular. So I began with the pool script. It was created to be designer-friendly, so that I could nest the object for each variation under its pool parent, making it easy to keep account on the total amount of the variation and decide anytime to decrease or increase their numbers. Next, the PoolManager was created, a singleton to combine all the pools by category so that it could be accessed by the spawners. The spawner's duty is to retrieve objects from the pool and set their position. This is done every time the spawners itself are enabled and disabled. But there was a problem. Where will the object return to? There are so many pools. So I created a new script, PoolObject. Its job was very simple. Remember which pool it belongs to and return to that correct pool when it's told to return. Next, the spawners could not be used for the sections, so a singleton SectionManager was created to keep track of active sections, retrieve sections at the start of the game and during gameplay. The GameManager singleton is responsible for keeping track of the game state, starting the game, and initializing the SectionManager. The section mover on each section is responsible to move the section in the direction of the player and return the section to its pool once it's beyond the player. There's still much to discuss about the game scene, but that's it for this update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next devlog.